morning everyone, my name is Pranav Agarwal and I am from Kidobotics. This is my project, a traffic light. In this I have taken a breadboard, Arduino, 2 LED bulbs, battery, connector, male-to-male wires. I have uploaded my Arduino from Arduino ID app in my laptop. This is the link for the uploadation. The link is http://bit.ly/Kido-traffic-light. This is the link to upload your Arduino. Now I have put on all the positive. I have taken the positive ends of LED and yellow LED positive end I have put on in pin number 9 and green LED I have put on in pin number 8, and both the ground I have put on in one row of breadboard, and I have taken this ground here to here. This full row is of ground. So I have put on the positive in V in, negative in G and D. So now I will tell you that how it works. I will connect the battery. The yellow light will glow. This shows that the car should stop. The car is stopped. Now green LED will glow. This will show that my car can move now. I have not put on a red LED because my battery did not have the sufficient current till the time I have put on this. In my next video I will show smart dustbin. Thank you.